Hello friends. Today we're learning about some basic electronic components. First, we have the resistor, which controls the flow of current. Next is the capacitor, which stores electrical energy. Then comes the diode, allowing current to flow in one direction only. An inductor stores energy in a magnetic field. We also have the LED, or light-emitting diode, which lights up when current flows. The bridge rectifier converts AC to DC. A coin battery provides compact power. The switch controls the on and off of circuits. Next is the fuse, which protects against overcurrent. The transformer changes voltage levels. Relay switch works like an automatic switch. And the speaker converts electrical signals into sound. We have the transistor, used to amplify signals. The microphone converts sound into electrical signals. The integrated circuit, or IC, is like a mini computer chip with multiple functions. Finally, the antenna, used for receiving or transmitting signals. These components are the building blocks of all electronic devices. Thanks for listening.